Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute macrame pumpkin decoration. It's really easy to do. It literally took me like just a couple hours, but I had to unravel like all the cord, so it'll probably just take you like 1 hour to make. And it works as like a really cute boho decoration for like your patio or anywhere. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make this, then just keep watching. So the supplies that you will need are a pumpkin, some macrame cord, scissors, and a cat if you have one. Somehow my cat is like always around when there's like string or whatever. But anyways, I just started by measuring out a little piece of cord and I just put it into like a circle shape around the stem. And then I just measured out another piece of cord to about the length of the pumpkin, and I just kept folding it over itself like about 4 times, and that was like the perfect length. So that's kind of how I measure out my cord. I just kind of estimate that way. But yeah, that ended up to be the perfect length. And then I unraveled my cord because it was kind of too thick, but if you want it to be really thick, you can just leave it. So then I just started by making some lark's head knots going around the little circle at the top. And it's really easy. You just create a little loop and then pull the ends through the loop to attach it. So I just did that to all the strings. I kind of forgot how many strings I added on, but I think it would be different for every single pumpkin because some pumpkins are bigger than others. So you kind of just keep adding until you run out of space. So then after that, I just started by making 3 square knots in a row. So you will need 4 strings, and I took one side and made like a number 4 over the first 2 strings. And then I took the right side and put that string over the top of the one that crossed over, and then I just put it to the back and through the loop. And then I basically did the same thing in the opposite direction to complete the knot. I don't know if that's confusing to explain it, but I tried to show this like really slowly. It's actually really easy to do, so yeah. So I basically just made 3 square knots in a row, and I did that all the way around the whole pumpkin. Okay, so for the next row, it's basically like the same thing, but a little bit different. So this next knot is called the spiral knot or the half knot. So I kind of left two little loops in between to kind of space it out a little bit. So I did that for every single one. And then instead of like taking turns, you're just gonna keep doing the square knot in the same direction every single time so that it creates the spiral effect. So I just kept making the same loop to the left, and I did the same thing by doing 3 knots in a row. So yeah, I just did that all the way around the whole pumpkin. Okay, sorry the lighting keeps changing throughout this video, but I filmed this between like 2 different days, and I thought the sunlight was really pretty in this clip because it was setting. But yeah, anyways, so I did the same thing for this row by leaving 2 little loops at the top, and then I just created 1 square knot, and you just want to continue doing that all the way around. Okay, so for the last row, this is probably the easiest one. All you have to do is just create a little knot. So I just took the 4 strings and created a loop and pulled it through, and I just did that pretty much all the way around the whole pumpkin. I feel like I keep saying the same thing, but yeah, that's how I ended it. And then once I finished making all of those knots all the way around, I just trim the ends to about the length of the pumpkin so that the ends meet the ground. So finally, I just took a little comb and brushed out all the ends. You don't have to do this, but I kind of wanted it to look like fringe, so I just quickly brushed it all out. And yeah, here is the finished product. So I really like how it looks. It looks really like bohemian. And I just kind of decided to do this last minute. But yeah, I hope you like this video and try it out for yourself. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!